Hi friends, so today we're going to be looking at elapsed time in lesson 14.2. So here's an example. It says you can also use a number line to measure elapsed time. Janie's charity walk lasted 4 hours and 10 minutes. The number line shows the number of hours and minutes that lapsed during the walk. So 4 hours, they put the start time here is 7:10, and then in between 7:10 and 11:10 is 4 hours. 7:10, 8:10, 9:10, 11:10. And then from the 10 minutes, if you add 10 minutes, it's 20. So 11:10, 11:20. So in the elapsed time of 4 hours and 10 minutes, it ends at 11:20. Next, in this question, it says, if a start time is 7:15 and an end time is 8:05 a.m., why do you not have to count hours to find the elapsed time? So it looks like you have to count hours because it's the 7 o'clock hour and then the 8 o'clock hour, but the difference between 7:15 and 8:05 is less than an hour, because if you think 1 hour from 7:15 would be 8:15, and 8:05 is earlier than 8:15, so that's less than an hour that's passed. Number 2, a movie started at 2:30 p.m. and ran for 2 hours and 15 minutes. What time did the movie end? So I'm going to use a number line for this question, so I'll draw the number line. And then it says that the movie started at 2:30, and then, so 2:30 right here, and then it ran for 2 hours and 15 minutes of I first do 2 hours, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. So for 2 hours that passed. Let me go back to here, and as you can see, I did a typo, like you know from the classroom that I like to do. 2:30, and then here in 2 hours it would be 4:30, and then 15 more minutes. So I go from the 30, adding 40, 45, that's 15 minutes. So 4:45 is the end of the movie. So there you go, in my imperfect little graph there, but that's okay. So now we're going to look at number 3. It says draw arrows on the second clock to count the hours from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. What is the elapsed time? So if I look at 11 a.m. and I count how many hours there are between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. So 11 a.m. I have go around once, that's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5. We're coming up on 5 o'clock, so I'm going to stop right here. So that's 6 hours of elapsed time. Now let's look at the next one. Right down here really quick. So the start time is 6:30 p.m. and the end time is 9:50 p.m. So this clock says 6:30. So they're counting hours. They're counting the hours first. 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30. That is 3 hours. Then from 9:30 they're counting the minutes to 9:50. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's 20 minutes. So the elapsed time is 3 hours and 20 minutes. And they know that that's at 9:50 because it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This is at 9:50. So good luck today, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.